Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Escape hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside the vehicle. It's usually found on the driver's side, beneath the dashboard, often near the door sill. This lever is designed to be easily accessible. Give it a firm pull to release the initial hood latch. You should hear a distinct click, indicating that the first latch has disengaged. This action prepares the hood for the next step. After pulling the interior lever, proceed to the front of your Ford Escape. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this opening, right at the center of the hood's leading edge. You'll feel a small, secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents the hood from flying open unexpectedly. Depending on the model, you'll either push a lever to the side or pull it upwards to fully disengage the hood. With both latches released, you can now gently lift the hood of your Ford Escape. It should open smoothly with minimal effort. Once the hood is up, look for the hood prop rod. This rod is typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself or near the engine bay. Carefully unclip it and extend it. Then, insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole on the engine bay frame. This ensures the hood remains securely open while you work, preventing accidental closure. When you're finished, carefully remove the prop rod from its support hole and reclip it back into its storage position. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 12 to 18 inches or 30 to 45 centimeters above the closed position. Do not press down on the hood. Instead, simply let it drop. The weight of the hood will engage both the primary and secondary latches, ensuring it's securely closed. Always double-check that it's fully latched before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.